Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 4a, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to first turn off your device by holding or pressing more like power button and volume up at the same time. And from the options, select power off. This will turn off the device, and once it's off, you want to hold power button and volume down instead. And let go of them the moment you see any kind of this mode. So once you see this, let go. I do want to warn you, sometimes when you let go of these buttons, it might accept the default option restart as you confirm things with the power button. Sometimes when you let go of it, it accepts it as an input, therefore just reboots the device and tries to bring it back to Android. In this case, if this mode disappears when you let go of these buttons, start holding them again. Anyway, once you're in this mode, using volume buttons, you want to navigate and select recovery mode. It's visible right here, and then press power button to confirm it. Now I will be zooming in my screen in a moment, as what we all see is super tiny, but first we get the Android with no command. So to get past this, we'll need to hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up once, which takes us to that tiny little recovery mode. So in this mode, you will need to again use volume buttons to navigate. So to demonstrate it, there we go. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected with this blue line. Now in here we have several different things we can do. So we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader, which obviously will take us back to the previous page, as that was bootloader. We have also enter fastboot mode, which potentially could also take us to bootloader or to a dedicated fastboot mode. I haven't checked it yet. We have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and this will reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.